Hello guys, I am your host Kaushik and you are watching Goofy Broadcast. At the time of coronavirus epidemic all over the world, we are staying at home and staying safe, which is really a great thing. But everyone wants to go out and see the world. So today, in this video, we are going to see Rajgarh Fort, which is in Pune, Maharashtra, and this is going to be a vlog video. So please enjoy it and let's get started. Rajgarh literally means ruling fort, is a hill fort situated in Pune district of Maharashtra, India. Formerly known as Murumdev, the fort was the capital of Maratha Empire under the rule of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj for almost 26 years, after which the capital was moved to Rajgarh Fort. Treasures discovered from an adjacent fort called Torna were used to completely build and fortify the Rajgarh. The height of Rajgarh Fort is 1376 meters. Rajgarh was also one of the 17 forts that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj kept when he signed the Treaty of Purandar in 1665 with the Mughal Emperor Jai Singh, leader of Mughal forces. Under this treaty, 23 forts were handed over to the Mughal Empire. Now, the fort is a significant tourist destination and is one of the most sought after, especially under monsoon. We started climbing the Rajgarh Fort at the morning and it took us approximately 5 hours to reach at the top of it. There were many ups and downs at the trek of the Rajgarh. The Rajgarh is a very difficult fort to climb, but we reached it in around 5 hours. The scenery from the top of Rajgarh was really beautiful. When we reached the top, we could see many water wells which were covered with green cloths to protect it from different impurities. I took some of the close shots of the leaves, the fort and the sunlight which was at the top of the mountain. Some other trekkers were also with me as they were also climbing Rajgarh. As you can see, the scenery over here is really spectacular. There was an orange flag which was hoisted on the top of the fort which symbolized Shivaji Maharaj. There were ponds of waters and a lake type structure which was used for drinking. I am extremely sorry if you are laughing at my video, but I had to put this video because it was really important. There are two types of entries for the Rajgarh Fort. We can call it Chorvat and Paivat, that is hidden place and the place which is not mentioned, that is from the forest itself. The Chorvat is a straight road and the Paivat comes from the forest where the locals live at the bottom of the fort. Now to get a spectacular look of the fort, we are going to Sanjeevani Machi, that is a point which is called Sanjeevani Point. from which the Rajgarh Fort looks really great. This road has some broken steps and some ups and downs also. As you can see in the video, Sanjeevani Machi can be seen as we walk towards it. From the Sanjeevani Machi point, we could barely see the tip of Sihagarh Fort and different forts around it. There is a up and down portion where from the down portion all the soldiers used to follow the king, and at the top portion Shivaji Maharaj used to walk and all their followers used to come with them. As we walk ahead, we can see the Sanjeevani Machi up ahead. At the top we can see the sky, and at the bottom we can see greenery around it. Rajgarh is really a historic place as it was the greatest fort in the empire of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The scenery from the Sanjeevani Machi is really great, and we can see the whole Rajgarh Fort from that point. The different points on Rajgarh have orange flags hoisted around it to indicate that it's a point over there, and also to represent the points where Shivaji Maharaj used to be. There are many monkeys you can see on the Rajgarh Fort. The whole Rajgarh fort is full of different ways around it, and it is full of greenery. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog video. If you liked the video, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get latest videos like these in the future. Thank you.